Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2008 Suzuki 650 Burgman Executive. We're going to grab the camera and have a close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go in for a closer look. It has had a full HPI check and full government mileage check, everything clear. Just come with a spare key as well. What we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work our way all the way around the bike. As you can see, it does come with ABS brakes. It's in a gloss black. This is the executive model, so it does have a power screen on it. It's also got power mirrors. Got a button on there that folds them away. We'll move over and take a look on the left hand side of the bike. Get a good look at the front wheel. Let's get down low and have a look underneath here and see it is in good condition. Good looking at the back there. Back tyre also in good condition. The seats on this, they are heated, the front and the rear, so both seats. It's got a Suzuki top box on there, which is also colour coded. Let's get a look at it from the back. And then we'll move over to the right hand side. Let's get a good look at the exhaust. Get a good look over on the left hand side of the bike. What we'll do, we'll go and grab the mileage and take a look at the controls as well. Right, let's go and take a look at all the controls on this. So on this side you've obviously got your front brake, you've got your kill switch, you've got your hazards, that's your button to move your screen up and down, and your starter. And over on the other side you've got your button to put your mirrors in, and you've got your manual and automatic switch there. You've got power because you've got two power modes on this. When you put it into manual, you can change the gears up and down on there. You've got your horn there, and you've got heated grips, which are adjustable on there. You've also got front and rear heated seats, loads of storage space in these. You've got the boxes on either side, you've got the box underneath as well. Untrap the keys, making a pig's ear of that. So what we'll do, we'll turn it on and we'll grab the mileage off it. And it's done 23,484. Just show you the screen. That's your screen up and down, and that is to fold your mirrors in and fold them out again. Okay, let's start it up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you want any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see in particular, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.